G'day guys, we've got an area in our courtyard here. There's a big conifer spread through here. I want to have an aquascape ecosystem pond, but I can't afford the products, so I'm going to have a go at making a similar system on the cheap. So we'll see how we go. I'm probably I'll put a retaining wall up the back there. Don't pay attention to that pond. That's an old one. Anyway, yeah, I'll retain up the back there, and we'll dig a heap of soil out through here to form a berm. For the biofalls, I'm going to use this 22, or I think it's 220 litre drum. It had olive oil in it, so that's going to be a wetland filter / biofalls, which will feed a stream that will come down into here. I'm not going to use a skimmer. I've watched I've watched quite a lot of videos. Mark, the pond advisor over in the UK, for his wildlife ponds, he likes to use like intake bays. So I'm going to have a crack at an intake bay. Again, I'm going to do that on the cheap. Some buckets or something. Anyway, we'll get to that later. This, I think we'll spread it out over a few parts. This will be part one. We'll just try and get the falls in, like the wetland filter, and get that all plumbed up, the retaining wall, and get this hole excavated and see where we're at. Stay tuned. Okay, this is all I need to make the wetland bog sort of biofills falls. Yeah, this filter started the waterfall. So I've got 2 uniseals, drill with a hole saw and just a handsaw. So I'm going to have an outflow up high, and somewhere down the bottom is going to be an exit point if I want to drain the filter, remove any solids and stuff. So we'll put a valve on that later on. But for the moment, we're just going to cut the barrel, cut the top off, one hole and another hole on the side down low. All right. The outflow holes in. and down there we've got the drainage hole. Now, to get them through those uni seals, I find I have to file the edge down a bit. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then to get them through, I just use some grease, and that helps it slide through. Anyway, for the moment I'm just going to put this outflow piece in. The drainage piece, because obviously I want to be able to mound up around the barrel. Okay. Well, I didn't get much digging done, but the filter's ready and we've got a wall built. Plants are gone, so next weekend I can start excavating this pond area out, mounding up all through here. Get some rocks for back through here. I'm thinking about putting some orchids and stuff around here. The wall looks pretty ugly at the moment, but we might just run the climbing figs up over it, or some convolvulus cascading over. Anyway, we'll cross that bridge later. Alright, that's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2.